Hi, my name is Ramya Chandrasekhar and my matric number is 211222405. Today I'm going to tell about the description of the product criteria. The first thing I'm going to tell about this is the specification, which is the description of the design criteria. And the function of the power extension plug is to bring the electrical power to the electrical device with 8 sockets. Besides that, it's connect the power supply using the USB cable, and also it's use US power Type C cable, and also it's bring electrical power to anywhere only using this power extension plug. And the ergonomics of this power extension plug is the holder, it's have holder to bring anywhere, and it's adjustable and also rotatable. Besides that, the aesthetic of the extension plug is it's on multicolor, which is on pink, blue and white. And then the weight is 1.75 kgs, the height is 15 cm, and the shape is on cylinder shape. And then the pattern is on high-tech pattern. Besides that, the material used to form the extension plug is foldable and also rubber. It is safety use because it's automatically turn off when it's overheating, and the cost needed to do this extension plug is 55 ringgit. Thank you.
My name is Ravin Son of Lingam, material number 211222460. I would like to present about my part, which is concept generation. Concept generation is the process of creating ideas for designing a product based on the target specification and the requirements. This idea describes the design and working principles of the product along with how it can meet the customer's requirement. Concept generation is an important process in manufacturing because it removes the frustration due to incompatibility of products or complex products which aid prototype development. It's often expressed in 3D models or rough sketch accompanied by a brief textual description. It's an attempt by the product developers to provide useful insight to the product's working principles. While a lot of product developers either skip or trivialize it, it is important to note that transforming from the stage of having an idea of the perfect product and to creation manufacturing of such product concept generation. Without the generation of the concept for the product, the project is barren for the ideas. The process involves an array of designs alternative from which designs can be deliberate and reach conclusion or produce better ideas. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasim bin Ahmad Puat. My matric number is 2112205889. Now I will present about concept selection for our product. Concept screening and scoring are used to evaluate ideas before devoting too much time and effort to comprehensive design work. The goal of screening and scoring is to condense a large number of concepts into a smaller, more manageable group. Based on the screening table, each column in the matrix is assigned a relative score of better than, plus, same as, 0 or worse than, minus, to represent how each concept compares to the references concept in terms of the given criterion. After grading all of the concept, the team adds up the amounts of better than, same as, and worse than scores for each category and enters the total in the matrix lowest row. At this point, the team can usually identify one or two characteristics that appear to distinguish the concept. After the concept screening finished, the decision was made to take 3 of the 4 design concepts into the concept scoring process, which is considered better than the references. Mr. DIY was not considered due to the durability being lower than the references. As a result, the committee select a fewer amounts of different concepts to pursue. Extra ideas for new design concepts or ways to integrate design concepts may emerge as a result of the scoring procedure. Once the rating have been entered for each concept, the raw scorers are multiplied by the criteria weight to get a weighted score. Each concept total scores is the sum of its weighted score.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, and good evening, Doctor. I'm going to talk about AutoCAD and engineering drawing. Let me begin with the tool for drawing and drafting. This as Power Extension introduced a whole array of innovative drawing tools and instructions to AutoCAD, empowering users to effortlessly create and modify their drawing. From specialized drafting symbol to automated dimension tool, and even custom line type. This extension streamline the drawing process and enhance accuracy like never before. And moving to the others photo, 3D modeling. Will delve into a realm of boundless and possibilities. This power extension argument, AutoCAD 3D modeling, and rendering tools, providing advanced functionality that push the boundary of imagination. With highly developed modeling tool at their disposal, user can bring their design to life in astonishing detail. Realistic rendering engine further enrich the visual experience, while specialized visualization capabilities such as integration with virtual reality and design exploration. And for the product, I think the safety and the features are very helpful to the consumer to use. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anas Bahaki bin Nawawi. My matrix number is 211222378. For my part is concept testing. Concept testing is a process of gathering feedback and opinion from people to understand whether a new idea or concept is appealing and has a potential before fully developing. It helps determine if the concept resonate with the target audience and if any improvement or changes are needed before moving forward. There are a few things that need to be taken care of on concept testing. The first one is process. Process now we can define the study objective, we can select sample group, we can choose survey type, we can present the concept, we can evaluate the customer reaction on the product that we design, that we plan to make, and we can interpret the result whether the future customer are really satisfied with the concept with the product that we want to make. Okay, second is the benefit from the concept testing. We can measure the public interest on the product that we intend to create. And second, we can understand the client standard, which means, yeah, standard can be high or low. Third is identify the successful idea, which means that any ideas that are liked by the customer, we can continue the idea. Fourth is develop certificate product, and fifth is uncover opportunities. The product is new in the market, there is an opportunities for us to make a business there. The third one from the concept testing is the purpose. So the purpose of concept testing is allowing testing and exploration. Second is help identify interest consumer. Third is knowledge gain, because yeah, we create a new product. Fourth is evaluating perceived merit, weakness, and variable from the concept or the product that we intend to make. There is testing method. Testing method we have four, which mean we take a statement. Second, we take a statement with visual and online reviews. Uh, Segment with visual and online review, we can make an interview, or we can make an Google form, we can make a survey, for example. And third one is visual, and the last one is visual prototype. There is 7-step procedure for assessing product concept. First one is a face-to-face communication, which means we interview the potential customer. Second one is a survey. We give a Google Form or any survey, and the customer can make the survey. Third one is a verbal description. The fourth one is sketch. I mean, we sketch the product. Fifth one is a storyboard from how the product starting. Fifth one is concept description accuracy, and the seven, the last one is pricing. We can ask, we can we can predict whether if we put high price or low price, maybe the customer want to buy or not. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.